Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. Hope you're all doing great. Today I'm back to show you a simple and easy tutorial. It can be on its own or part of a project. It's how to make the half double crochet triangle. As you can see, these are two different shapes. One is worked differently than the others. I'm going to show you both during this video. You can make it for block of a blanket, pillow. You can make a bandana or a shawl, whatever project you like. So without further ado, we'll get started. So I'm gonna start by showing you this triangle shape. Very easy and simple to make. I'm using 5.5 millimeter crochet hook and acrylic medium worsted yarn. I'm gonna start by making a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 3. In the third chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet. Okay, so you've got the chain 2 and 2 half double crochet. I'm gonna chain 2 and turn. 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. One half double crochet in the last stitch. I'm gonna chain 2 and turn. 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And this is all you need to know. Chain 2 in the beginning of each row, and then 2 half double crochet in the beginning of each row, and continue with 1 half double crochet in every stitch. As simple as that. To get the tall triangle. So chain 2, 2 half double crochet, and 1 half double crochet in every stitch. That's all you need to know for as many rows as you want, depending what shape or what size of the triangle you want to have. One more row just to show you the shape. And this is how it becomes as you go further, and this is how it is in a small size. You can make it bigger or you can make it smaller depending on what you need it to be. So it is useful for many projects, endless ones. You choose whichever you want. And this is how to make the first type of half double crochet triangle. We'll go on to this one, which is as simple as the first one, just a little difference. So again, we'll start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 3. Two half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. I'm gonna chain 2. This time I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet in the first stitch and 2 half double crochet in the last stitch. I'm gonna chain 2 for the next row. I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 half double crochet in the last stitch. Again, I'm gonna chain 2, and this is what's gonna happen in every row till you get the width required of your triangle. I'm gonna start with 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, continue with 1 half double crochet in every stitch, and end the row with 2 half double crochet. So beginning of the row you chain 2 and 2 half double crochet, and you end the row with 2 half double crochet as well. And this is how you get the second shape of the half double crochet triangle. So as we said, you start the row with chain 2, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, and you end with 2 half double crochet at the end of the row. As simple as that, and then you get it to expand shorter and wider for specific projects. I hope you like this easy and quick tutorial, and you'll find it useful. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.